Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to talk about Vocaroo. Vocaroo is a voice recorder that we are going to use for some activities in our day, especially in math. So in math, you might sometimes come across a screen that, or an activity page that looks like this. And the first area here is activate prior knowledge. This activate prior knowledge happens to be about perimeter and area. So the directions say, what do you already know? Record yourself telling us what you already know about perimeter and area. Record at Vocaroo and then paste link here. So I'm going to click on the link and I'm going to go to Vocaroo. Vocaroo. Okay, and I'm going to press this button to record, and as soon as I'm recording, I'm going to say, whatever it is I want to say. So remember, I'm talking about perimeter and area for this activity. So I would press record. And I need to allow it to use my microphone. Hi, today I'm going to tell you what I know about perimeter and area. Perimeter is the total sum of the outsides of a polygon, the outside sides of a polygon, and area is when I multiply the length times width to get the space on the inside of that shape. Then I press stop. I can listen to it here if I'm not sure what I said, or if I think I messed up, but I want to hear what it sounds like before I'm done. If I listen to it and I don't like it, I can press this red dot and record again. But if I'm happy with it, I'm going to save and share. And here is the link. Okay, so the link, I'm going to copy it. So I highlight it blue, and I can come up here and do copy. Sorry, under edit, I can up here and do copy, or I can do Control C and do copy. So I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go back to my copy of the math hyperdoc, and I'm going to go right over where it says paste link here, and I'm going to press Control V and copy it, or I could come up here to edit and also do paste from up here. And now when you turn this in and submit it on Google Classroom, I will be able to press that link. And listen to what you recorded. Hi, today I'm going to tell you what I know about perimeter and area. Perimeter. Okay, so that is how you use a Vocaroo.